Here are some programming basics for what you're going to need this week. We're going to be using the green icons located at the bottom of the programming screen. This week you will be using the third icon over. It says move steering when you hover over it. Simply click and drag it up next to the arrow in your programming space. You've just wrote the first part of your program. Good job. Notice the letters B and C in the corner of the block. Now look at your robot's brick. The wires from the motors should be plugged into the B and C plugs on your brick. This is what is going to make your program work correctly. For this activity, you're going to be adjusting two settings, the power level and the time. First, let's look at how to adjust the power level. Notice in the middle of your programming block you have a tachometer. It probably has the number 50 located below it. In order to adjust this, you very simply click on the 50. You get a slider bar that you can use to adjust, or you can simply type the desired number straight into the box and press enter. You just changed your power level. Now to set the time limit, we're going to come right here underneath the picture of the motors, and we're going to click on the box that turns blue once you hover over it. You want to slide down to on for seconds and click. That changes your third icon over to a watch. And then you would simply adjust your time to the number of seconds that you want. If you want 2 seconds, then you type a 2. If you want your robot to run for 2.5 seconds, you type 2.5, and so on. You'll get more directions on how to do this in just a moment. And once you have written your program and you've connected your robot, down here in the bottom right hand corner, this section down here is what connects to your robot. You're going to very simply click the down arrow here. It will be highlighted when your robot is connected. And that downloads this program to your robot. You disconnect your robot, set it down, run the program, record your data, and then plug your robot back in to change your settings for your next experiment. Good luck, and if you have any questions, raise your hand.